With Mercedes-Benz Keyless Go, you can lock and unlock your doors, open and close your windows, and drive off without even touching your keys. To unlock your vehicle, make sure your smart key is in your pocket, purse, or anywhere in close vicinity, and simply reach inside the door handle to open the door. To lock your car from the outside, close the door and touch the sensor surface on the door handle. If for some reason the door doesn't lock, check to make sure all doors and the trunk are closed. You can also close all the windows and sunroof from the outside by touching the sensor surface until all items are closed. And Keyless Go technology makes it almost impossible to lock your keys in the car. If you've left the smart key inside the vehicle, you won't be able to lock it from the outside. Your vehicle will even alert you when your key is left inside. Now, no matter what, you can always get in your Mercedes-Benz and just go.